Hello everyone, I Daniel D'Souza welcome you to the first lecture of accounts. Today's learning objective. Definition of bookkeeping. Meaning of accountancy. Difference between bookkeeping and accountancy. Definition of bookkeeping. We can define bookkeeping as a systematic record of all the business transaction to know the financial position of a business. Systematic record means keeping the records date-wise, name-wise, and event-wise for easily tracking the transaction in future. According to R. and Carter, bookkeeping is the science and art of correctly recording in the book of accounts all those business transactions that result in transfer of money's worth. According to Spicer and Pegler, bookkeeping is a systematic recording of the transactions in a manner enabling the financial relationship of a business with other persons to be clearly disclosed and the cumulative effect of the transactions on the financial position of the business itself can be correctly ascertained. The person maintaining books of accounts may be a clerk who may be qualified or not. Meaning of accountancy. Accountancy is a systematic process of identifying, measuring, recording, classifying and summarizing transactions of a business concern in a systematic manner. That means accounting is a predefined process to be followed which first identifies a transaction, measures it in terms of money or money's worth, records it in terms of accounting, classifies it into the different heads and summarizes it in a manner so that a conclusion can be drawn on which financial decisions are made. To maintain uniformity of understanding, and to compare between two entities. Such records are to be made according to the principles of accounting which are generally accepted and followed by each and every individual, like we have a law that everyone should speak truth, walk always to your left, etc. Generally accepted principles are the principles developed by professional accounting bodies such as Institute of the Chartered Accountants of India, Certified Public Accountants, Institute of Chartered Accountants in England and Wales. Now, bookkeeping and accountancy though are spoke together, but there are some differences between them. Let us have a glance what are the differences.